The production of sodium hydroxide is done through electrolysis of brine solution. This is called the Chlor-Alkali process. Setup: a container, electrolytic cell, with two compartments, connected by a salt bridge or porous membrane. Anode: plus, graphite or platinum. Cathode: iron or mercury. So the products are NaOH, sodium hydroxide, in solution, H2 gas at cathode, Cl2 gas at anode. The salt bridge helps keep the ions balanced. It allows Na+ to move toward OH-, forming NaOH. In this experiment, I used aloe vera gel instead of a normal salt bridge. At first, it didn't work because aloe vera has very low ion conductivity. Then I dropped a little salt on the gel. The salt dissolved and released sodium and chloride ions. These ions allowed electricity to pass through the gel. After that, the electrolysis started working properly. So, salted aloe vera gel acted as a natural salt bridge, completing the circuit for the electrolysis process.